6.2 techniques. So we're going to be dealing with a mid to high level round kick, and we're going to utilize the goal bone and the pox out together. So Keith's going to throw that shot. I want to move toward it. I want to cover it with the goal bone and the pox out. So again, coming through, moving in one. He punches off that hand, you can take the lops out. He punches off the other hand, and we can work our way back into the Feng Sao lops out drill. An option. Number two, coming through. I got it from here, and I just check his lead arm, go for the lob. So straight from here, he fires that shot. Release Tan Sao, pox out palm, and back to the Daigan. One more. Stepping through with the goal bone, coming through with a lob, he throws the straight punch, the set 5 Yun Sao. That leaves this open. Good fighter's going to come in, and here just applying the level 1-2, pox out punch and lobs out punch. Let's play that one more time. Coming through with the goal bone, take the trap, firing through, start to move, pox out and lobs out.